Self-esteem is nothing but who you are. The way you look at yourself, the way you respect yourself, the way you value yourself. Self-esteem is very important aspect of your personality because the way you look at yourself, the people around you will also look at you the same way. For example, if you think that I am confident, you will appear to be confident in front of other people as well. Similarly, vice versa. Now, if you think and you feel that I am shy, I'm an introvert, I'm afraid to speak, you will appear the same in front of people. So the first step to raise your self-esteem is self-love. How to do it is very simple. Whenever you feel any negative emotion or stress or you feel uneasy, right, try to beat that, try to negate that, try to balance that with an activity which you love doing the most. You really fall in love doing that, right? It can be dancing, singing, going for a walk, watching a movie, or having just a small glimpse of nature, just sitting and doing nothing, listening to your favorite music, or grooming yourself, pampering yourself the way I am doing right now.